Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Myself Janisha from St. Joseph Composite PU College, Vijaypur. I'm dealing with economics subject. In the previous section, in the previous episode, we have discussed about the consumer behavior concept. In that, budget set we discussed. Today we are going to deal with budget line. As you know that budget set, just revise those things. So budget set is a collection of all bundles available to a consumer at the prevailing market price at a given level of income, and also it is called as opportunity set. So that we discussed in the previous episode. Now we'll discuss regarding budget line. The combination of two goods that a consumer purchases depends upon the income of consumer and the prices of the two goods. That is, we know that the combination of any two goods, that is mainly depending upon the consumer's income and also the price of that goods. And also consumer budget states that the real income or purchasing power from the purchasing power means what? That means ability to buy the goods and services. So that real income or purchasing power from which the consumer can purchase certain quantitative bundles of two goods at a given price. It means that a consumer can purchase only that combination of goods which cost less than or equal to his income. That means among the two different combinations of commodities, in that consumer can buy or purchase those goods either the cost is less than or equal to his income. Thus here in this budget line concept, it reveals that budget line is a graphical representation of all possible combinations of two goods which can be purchased with a given income and prices, and also such that the cost of each these combinations is equal to the money income of the consumer. So we can say that budget line is a graphical representation. It is a graphical representation, or it is the locus of different combinations of two goods. The combinations are different and the goods are two, in which the consumer consumes and whose cost exactly equals his income. That means among the two goods with his given level of income or the income which is equal to or equal level of income. So in that how much he is able to buy the goods and services. So that is what shown in the graphical presentation, that is what budget line. And the budget line is also called as budget constraints. Okay students, now let me discuss this with the help of example. Consider for example a consumer who has income rupees 20, and suppose both the goods are priced at rupees 10 and are available only in integral units. Now the consumer has three options to spend his entire income. First option is buy 2 units of X, means he can buy X commodity only, that is also 2 commodity. And second option, buy 2 commodity or 2 units of Y, means option Y, in that he can select 2 also from Y commodity. Or in option 3, here with his level of income he can buy 1 unit of X and 1 unit of Y. In elaborately, we can say that X and Y commodity. X is apple, Y is banana. So with the income of rupees 20, so now either according to option A, either he can go for 2 units of apple, that means X commodity, and according to the second option, he can choose for 2 unit of Y, that is banana, or according to the third option, he can choose 1 unit of X, that is apple, as well as the 1 unit of Y, that is banana. One commodity means goods 1 X commodity, or he can choose for Y commodity, or both. So this is for the budget line. And also budget line, which is also called as price line. Now in this diagram we can elaborate clearly. So the line consists of all bundles which cost exactly equal to M. M means what? Income. That means all the bundles cost means all the bundles price which is equal to the income. So this line is called as budget line. So this line is, we can say that this is what? Budget line. That means this budget line which is equal to the income of consumer, which is equal to the income of the consumer, means the cost of the commodity which is equal to the income of the consumer, and this downward sloping. So this is what? Budget line. And also points below the budget line represent bundles which cost strictly less than M, means income. That means points below the budget line. Here we can see that here below the budget line. So this represents bundles which cost strictly less than income. That means what? The cost or the price, so which is less than the income. So that the budget line, here we can see that in below. So that we can write the equation. So X2 is equal to M by P2 minus P1 by P2 X1. That means M means income divided by P2. P2 means what? That is price of goods 2 minus P1 by P2. P1 means what? So P1 means goods of a price of goods 1, and P2 price of goods 2 means X1. That means X2 is equal to M by P2 minus P1 by P2 means X1. So both the X1 commodity and X2 commodity, so which is equal to the either means both the X1 and X2 commodities price or cost, either which is equal to the income or it is less than the income. So this is what the budget line. Okay students, in the next class we'll discuss further more concepts, and also in this episode some exercise questions will be there. Please solve those exercise questions, and also those exercise questions belongs to some previous videos also. Please write and submit on time. Thank you. Question number 1. What is budget line? Question number 2. Explain the concept of budget line. Question number 3. What is budget set? So these are the exercise questions. So everybody write and submit on time. Thank you.